Java string versus Python string. Video course by MyExamCloud. Both are immutable. Both Java and Python strings are immutable, which means they cannot be changed after they created. Look at the sample Java code. The string name at line number 5 initially holds the value MyExamCloud. At line number 6 the connect method called on this string. When we print the name it still holds the initial value only. Look at the Python code with the same immutable effect like Java code. Enclosing characters. Both Java and Python strings allows double quotes for enclosing a string literal. Python allows both single and double quotes for enclosing a string literal. Python example. Java example. Concatenation. Both Java and Python uses plus for concatenation. Look at the Java code with string concatenation. Python example. String multiplication. Python treats multiplication using operator like addition in another way that Java doesn't. 2 * 1 equals A plus A equals double A. String comparison. Both Java and Python can compare string literals by equals equals operator. Python code. Java code. Multiline strings. Both Java and Python supports multiline strings. Python uses 3 double quotes or 3 single quotes for enclosing multiline strings. Java uses 3 double quotes for enclosing multiline strings. Python code. Java code. Visit MyExamCloud certification preparation courses for Java and Python.
Join MyExamCloud and start learning Java and Python.